Yes, welcome friends. Back again to the how to write an essay videos that we are doing. So in the last video, we looked at the introduction part and how do you introduce three four points and three four arguments, three four points which you would expand in the main body. I also told you that whatever you write in the introduction part, you have to expand that only in the main body, and you don't need to expand a new point or a new topic in the main body. Okay, so this is what we are going to look at. We are going to look at the main body and how to write it in writing an essay. Writing an essay. My name is Vishal Arora, and I've been teaching verbal for competitive examinations for more than 12 years now. And I'm an IELTS, TOEIC, and TFA certified trainer. I'm a writer of a novel which is known as Mad Dog Roids, and it is available on all major platforms. So if you want to buy it, you can go ahead and buy it. Now we come to the main body. So first point is that in a 250 word essay, the main body would be 160 to 180 words. Okay. So that could mean either you have got four paragraphs of 40-45 words or three paragraphs of 55-60 words. This is what you have to look at. So it depends whether you have got a good knowledge of the points that you are making. So then you can go ahead and use only 3 points. But if you don't have good knowledge and you have very few knowledge of that topic, then you need to have 4 points where you can write about them. Okay. So our points and arguments. The arguments that we took in the earlier session were, first of all, it is a popular form of governance in many countries. Secondly, the president would be directly answerable to the people. It solves the problem of the coalition government, and government would be more effective and responsible. Right. So point two and four are similar to each other, so we can combine both of them. So let's look at the popular form of government argument. Right. So the argument that I have expanded is that many countries have adopted the presidential form of government with success, but in a country as diverse as India, representation of all sections of society is important and creates balance of power. Parliamentary system makes sure that all regions and sections provide the proper balance of power, and that is why it was adopted by our nation founders. Okay, now these are 57 words. What I have done is that I have given an argument. I have given an argument from here till here. Then I have introduced the word but, and I have given a counter argument from here till here. And then I have finally gone ahead and from here till the end, I have given a concluding remark. Right. This is how you go ahead and write a paragraph in a passage. Right. Second argument is the president has more authority our argument was that the president would be directly answerable to the people and government would be more effective and responsible. So let's see. The president has more authority and power to effectively run the government, and it also provides a clarity of policy and vision to the people. And since the leader is responsible and empowered, it leads to swift actions. Right. So this is what I have given the argument in the favor from here to here. If you will remember in the last point we took the word but. Here I have taken the word however. So now what you are doing is you are introducing a counter argument. So however it may also lead to one man imposing his will and can also one man imposing his will. This is the counter argument. And then finally a conclusion that it can lead to power without any control. This is the second argument that I have taken. Now look at third argument. It solves the problem of coalition government. So what I have written is that as we have seen in the past, India went through a long period of unstable coalition government, which negatively affected for the growth and economy of the country. A presidential form of government would be free from that. But what we have seen in recent times, even elections in the USA led to deep division of society, so it has its own flaws, right? So here, from here till here, I have given a argument. Then I have given here I have put a full stop. Here I have not put but or however, but I have put a full stop. So that argument sentence is over. Then I have gone ahead and given a counter argument. And then finally I have given a concluding statement. I have given a concluding statement. I have given a concluding statement. Okay. So let's add up. 57, 59, 62 is 178. 178 plus 45, what we have given as introduction is 223. So now we are left with 27 words for the conclusion, right? So you can very 10, 15. If there is a 250 word essay, then it can go up to 260 to 70, right? But it should not be less than 250. It should be around 250, 260 to 70, right? So 10, 15 words here and there are okay, right? That is how we have to do it.